Hey, what's up, Tony? This is Peter Gilpin with SEO Dallas, Texas. Thanks for clicking this video, taking the time to watch it. I spoke with Tom yesterday about sending you guys just a real quick video on some things you could do to help improve your online presence to start bringing in more customers through your website. Now, if you're wondering why I'm making this video, I just find that a lot of business owners don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for themselves to bring in more business. And usually the only thing that's holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they just don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So by giving these attack plans out for free, sometimes people still call me back and say, you know what, Peter, I like it. I'd just rather you take care of this stuff for me. So Tony, at the end of the video, if you find I do have some tips and tricks up my sleeve, might be able to do some good for your business, feel free to give me a call. We can talk about it more. If you guys just want to apply this information yourself and run with it, be my guest, that's totally fine too. My goal here is just to help you guys if I can. So the things I want to go over real quickly are how to make your website more of an authority, how to make it more trustworthy, and how to make you guys rank in the local map packs. Okay, so starting off by looking at your website. At a glance, it looks nice, right? Like you have nice quality pictures. Everybody loves dogs. That put a smile on my face right there. So yeah, I mean, you guys' website overall looks good. The unfortunate thing is Google is not going to rank the website based on how nice it looks, okay? Content is king. To be considered an authority, you need to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on the homepage alone, okay? And another thing too is in that content, you want to stuff buyer intent keywords in there, right? And one thing too, like for example, what your images are saved as is really important as well. See, that's just a number. That's an opportunity for you guys to sneak in secret keywords like Dallas, Texas HVAC contractor, Dallas, Texas, HVAC repair service, Dallas, Texas, and what have you, right? That's going to give you guys some more power and give you a higher organic ranking in Google search results, okay? And just going over to your competitors, Freimeyer, they're a bigger one in the DFW Metroplex. You can see and a lot of it's pictures again, but you can see it's not based on how well the website looks. It's based on that content. They just have a lot. They still don't have 1,500 to 2,000 words though. So doing that alone is going to give you guys a huge boost off the rip. Next thing is how to make it more trustworthy. And before I hop over into my next tool, you can see that I guess the domain is needs to be updated or something like that because it's showing up as not secure. That's almost like a leak in your power right there, right? So that definitely needs to be updated. Hopping over to a tool that we use called Ahrefs, it costs about $1,000 a month, but it just gives us a lot of really valuable data that goes on in the back end of websites. So speaking on your trust factor, you guys are actually I can tell you've done a lot of work and you're doing good work at that, right? Because you have 231 websites pointing back to your website and the cumulative total of about 930 backlinks. So you guys are doing great right there. Like in that aspect, you already have more referring domains than one of your bigger competitors. I would say as you accumulate those, the thing to keep in mind is you want to make sure those websites are only relevant to your industry, right? You don't want pizza companies with backlinks because you guys aren't a pizza company. Google's not going to trust that, okay? And the last thing is going to be citations, right? A reason why I went with Freimeyer is no matter how, like, if you search Dallas, Texas HVAC contractor, statistically speaking, a lot of consumers are going to skip these ads, whether it be the previous bad experience with a company in an ad or they have Google ad blockers, so they don't even see them in the first place. A lot of business is being given to these guys that rank highly in these top 3 spots on the Google Map Pack, okay? And basically, all you have to do is add citations. All that is how many times your business name, phone number, and address are listed in different directories throughout the internet, like Yelp, Yext, White Pages, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, Craigslist, Facebook even counts as one. So literally all you guys have to do is go in and find exactly which directory is Freimeyer in, or Berkey's, or Air Texas. Put your information in the exact same ones, and then add about 50 to that, right? So that's going to give you guys a higher ranking in the Google Map Pack, okay? So yeah, that's more or less it, Tony. Just a quick recap. Again, content is king. You guys need to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on this homepage, okay? You're doing pretty strong with the backlinks. I don't really have much advice there. Just make sure the ones that you have are relevant to your industry so you're not losing trust in that regard. And you can keep this ratio as close to a 1 as possible. And then citations. For you guys to be able to get new business on this, people that don't know you and they're just looking for someone right away. Be able to go and find exactly which directory is Freimeier's in, add yourself to the same ones, and then double that, or add about at least 50 more. So like I said, that's all I got, Tony. I'll get this sent over to you. If you have any questions, concerns, or feedback, I'd appreciate it. Definitely give me a call if you want to talk further. Again, my number, this is Peter Gilpin with SEO Dallas, Texas. My number is 682-269-6391. Again, that's 682-269-6391. Thanks, Tony. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye.